In this video, we'll cover the essential items every new dad should include in his first aid kit for emergency preparedness. It's crucial for new dads to be prepared for unexpected situations, and having the right supplies can make a significant difference in responding to emergencies effectively. From basic first aid items like bandages and adhesive tape to essential medications, tools, and emergency contact information, we will ensure that new dads are equipped with the necessary resources. Additionally, we'll highlight the special considerations for babies and children, emphasizing the importance of including specific items for their needs. When assembling a new dad's first aid kit, it's essential to include basic first aid items. These include various sizes of bandages to dress and protect wounds, antiseptic wipes to clean the affected area, adhesive tape to secure the bandages in place, and scissors to cut tapes and bandages as needed. These items form the foundation of any first aid kit and are crucial for addressing minor injuries and accidents. By having these basic items readily available, new dads can confidently handle common medical situations that may arise. In this segment, we emphasize the importance of including essential medications and tools in a new dad's first aid kit. Common medications such as pain relievers can provide relief for minor aches and pains, while a thermometer is vital for monitoring body temperature, especially in infants and children. Additionally, tweezers are valuable for removing splinters or debris from the skin. It's also crucial to have a first aid manual as a reference guide for administering aid effectively. These medications and tools are indispensable for addressing various medical concerns and ensuring the well-being of the family. In this segment, we underscore the significance of including emergency contact information in a new dad's first aid kit. It is crucial to have essential contacts readily available in case of emergencies, including the doctor's contact details for medical guidance, the Poison Control Center number for poisoning incidents, and other important contacts such as emergency services or trusted neighbors. Having this information accessible can expedite the response to medical situations and ensure swift communication with the necessary authorities or healthcare providers. It's a vital aspect of emergency preparedness for new dads and their families. This segment focuses on the special considerations necessary for babies and children when assembling a first aid kit for new dads. It's crucial to include specific items tailored to their needs, such as baby-specific medications designed for infants and toddlers, child-friendly bandages that are comfortable and safe for young skin, and tidinggel to alleviate teething discomfort. Addressing these unique requirements ensures that new dads are fully equipped to handle medical situations specific to their little ones, providing reassurance and prompt care when addressing the health needs of babies and children.